Alright, Chad. You're gonna record me going sliding down the driveway. Here you go, it's recording. Hopefully my dad will pick me up soon.
Or you can walk up and do it again.
Don't cover it with your finger.
What?
That. You got, see it?
Yep.
Okay.
It's not covered.
Where should I sit?
Right here.
Right here?
Yep. Don't go over the bank.
Huh?
Ready?
Hold on. I gotta hold on to the handle. Okay. Oh boy.
There goes John. She's doing a little spinning. Oh, it's windy and cold out here when you stop shoveling. She wants to do it again. We'll see if she wants to do it again when she gets back up here and has to walk back up the hill again. Then we'll see if she wants to do it again or not. I think I gotta give her a bigger push.
This time we gotta get me more in the center. Oh God.
There she goes. She's gonna try it again. Are you ready?
Hold on. So I'm moving the right way.
Ready?
Alright, let's do it.
White out.